Welcome back to Joe's Allotment channel, and thank you to die behind the camera. It's not just a matter of growing your own produce, it's ways to use it as well, which we like to show people. Picked a little bit of rhubarb this morning. It's only about 250 grams there. It's only a very small amount, but what we're going to do is make some rhubarb falls. Rhubarb falls. It's a nice little pudding which you can enjoy either hot or cold. It's basically rhubarb cooked down with a little bit of ginger, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of date syrup. And then we make some custard up, mix the two together, pour it into our little dishes. As I say, you can enjoy it warmish, or you can let it go cold, keep it in the fridge and enjoy it later. So it's just a matter of chopping up the rhubarb. And always cooks a lot quicker, the early rhubarb. Cut into small little chunks. And you don't need to put too much water in because it does produce its own juice as well. Now we've got a little tiny bit of water in the bottom of the saucepan there. So put that in. And to that I'll add a teaspoon of ginger, gives it a lovely flavour. A little dash of date syrup, add a bit of sweetness. And some sugar, and there's sugar in the custard as well, so that'll be quite sweet. So we cook that down now. It's cooked down lovely. The early rhubarb is always the tastiest because it keeps its colour. It's lovely and red. And it cooks so much quicker as well. So that's cooked down. And to that we'll add the custard. Pour the custard in. That's half a pint of custard. Just blend the two together. And custard always reminds me of my neighbour down in the allotment actually. He always says, I put rhubarb on mine. I put rhubarb? No, I put manure on my rhubarb. And I always say to him, I prefer mine with custard. That's all nicely blended together. So it's just a matter of now pouring those into the little jars. So lovely, we've got 4 little Sunday dishes, not jars, of pudding. You can enjoy those hot, or let them cool down and keep them in the fridge and enjoy them later when they're cold. So lovely little pudding. Try it with fresh rhubarb, or even rhubarb later in the season. It doesn't really matter. It just cooks a lot quicker and it's a lot redder when it's early in the season. Hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you have, please consider subscribing, liking our video, or giving us a comment. Try it and let us know what you think of it.